In this video, I'll show you how to export your Base44 project quickly and correctly. Whether you want to save a backup or share your work, this method will help you export your project with ease. Let's begin. Start by opening your web browser and going to the BizRack Base44 platform. This is where you manage and review all your projects. Once the page loads, take a moment to look around and become familiar with the interface. The layout is designed for easy navigation, and you will notice several icons that represent different tools and features. Next, find the icon related to GitHub in code editing. This icon usually includes symbols related to code or GitHub. Click on it to open the integrated editing and export tools. This section allows you to manage your project's code and connect it with version control systems. After opening the code editing options, you will see different export choices. First, you can export your project directly to GitHub. Selecting this option will upload your project files to a GitHub repository, allowing you to track changes, collaborate with others, and keep a full history of your work. This is useful if you're working with a team or want to manage updates efficiently. Another available option is exporting your project as a zip file. This option gathers all project files into a single compressed folder. A zip export is helpful when you want to create a backup, share your project offline, or move it to another system without needing an internet connection. Simply click the Export as Zip option and the platform will begin packaging your project. When starting the zip export, you may see a message that says Upgrade Required. This step is used to confirm that your account meets the requirements for exporting. Click on the Upgrade Required prompt if it appears and follow the instructions shown on the screen. This ensures your export process completes successfully. By following these steps, opening the Base44 platform, selecting the GitHub and code editing icon, choosing either GitHub Export or Zip Export, and confirming the upgrade prompt, you can export your Base44 project smoothly and without errors. That's it! You've now successfully exported your Base44 project and can safely store or share your work. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.